I know the earth is thirsty, I know the rivers run. Every leaf and every heartbeat needs the water when it comes. Boreas finally loosens up, winter's fingers let me go. Days grow softer, light grows kinder, I smile more than I know. Then I hear the forecast talking, calm voice on the evening news. Tomorrow rain all day, you say, I know it's not your fault, but still, excuse you. The rain rise, just don't mess with me. Yeah, I know it feeds the ground, the trees, it keeps us breathing. The rain rains, my head aches, my back aches, and my mood just sinks right down. Yeah, I give up, I see. So if you're gonna fall at all, do it softly after midnight calls, 'cause tomorrow means everything to him. A picnic day he's waited all week long. Rain beats hard against the window, morning feels like midnight still. Gray light crawling through the curtains, world asleep against its will. I check on my little one, he's just smiling, doing fine. Well then I laugh, we'll eat inside that picnic lunch I made on time. I was cursing all this weather, calling you my enemy, but here you are without a word, keeping everyone with me. The rain rains, because of you they're safe inside. You built these walls without a sound, you held my world right in my sides. The rain rains, yeah, I praise you now. Guess you're useful sometimes too, nobody really likes to dress. So hey my loves, let's make a deal, no need to rush, no need to go. Rainy holiday doesn't sound so bad, let's stay right here all day. You know I trusted you, I really did. You promised me a sky of gray, so tell me why I'm standing here alone inside this house today. The rooms are quiet, far too quiet. Then I hear the sparrows sing, oh look at that, the sky is blue. Such a bright, annoying thing. Forecast said you'd stay all day, but you vanished without a trace. Kids ran out the door in seconds flat, didn't even see my face. Damn you, rain, guess you've got more spines. The rain rains, sure you do. You spin me war without a sign, you break the plans I thought were mine. You stay too long, then leave too fast. No goodbye, no gentle cue. You steal away our little joys like you don't care what you do. The rain rains, no you don't. We've got umbrellas by the door, raincoats, boots, we're ready for more. Harry wanted to, I know it's true, I could walk straight through you too. It's not the rain that stops my steps, it's just the courage I don't choose. Rain rains, so please be gentle with me.